Color. It affects every aspect of our lives. How we feel, what we buy, and what we focus our attention on. Did you know that our eyes can see around 10 million colors? That's why even the slightest change in color can make a great difference. So, when you want to describe a color, you need to be precise with what you mean. By describing colors with NCS, the natural color system, it allows you to describe any color exactly the way you see it. NCS is a universal color language that is applicable regardless of where you see the color. Let us show you how it works. In order to communicate what we see, we usually name colors such as beige, flamingo, and mocha. But for professionals working with color, this way of describing color is not accurate enough. Since the NCS system is a scientific color system based on how we perceive color, it allows you to describe your color exactly the way it is, the way we all perceive that color. NCS defines all colors that we see in relation to the 6 elementary colors: white, black, yellow, red, blue, and green. They form the NCS color space and describes the hue and the nuance of each color. Let's demonstrate by using the example of flamingo. What is flamingo? Viewing the NCS color space from above, you will find the NCS color circle. This is where you define the hue of the color. The reference points are the 4 chromatic elementary colors: yellow, red, blue, and green. We always read the hues clockwise from yellow to red. Our reference flamingo is a Y80R, a yellow with 80% red. This is the hue of the color. For each hue in the NCS color circle, you have an NCS color triangle that describes the nuance, the relation between white, black, and the most chromatic point of the selected hue. The sum of the nuance is always 100%. In the case of our flamingo, it has 10% blackness, 40% chromaticness, and 50% whiteness. However, the NCS notation only defines the blackness and the chromaticness, 10-40. The whiteness, 50, is understood from having a 100% nuance. After describing both the hue and the nuance of a color, we have now accurately and visually described our color flamingo as 1040 Y80R. This is the exact color name, the NCS notation. By communicating colors in NCS, you are now able to describe any color exactly and correctly with a shared color language. Correctly described colors will ensure that you get the desired end result. So next time you define color, use a shared color language. Use NCS. NCS color. Universal color communication.